Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode of Trial Tuesday where I get to try one or more products to let you know if they're a must-buy or a pass. Today I want us to find out together if Prada's new highlighter is worth the very expensive price tag, and I want to see if Prada's very unique mascara is worth all the hype. So if that sounds like fun to you, stick around. Please also like this video, comment, and subscribe. All right, let's get this party started. I'm so excited to try these products today. I've never tried Prada Beauty before. I'm a little bit late to this party, but I'm just so excited to try these. So first I'm going to start with the highlighter. Now, when I heard about this highlighter, I told myself there's no way that I'm going to be spending $90 on a highlighter, but here I am. I only bought one shade, so that is showing some self-restraint. But I told myself I wasn't going to do this, and here we are. So I picked up the light shade. Let me show it to you. So there is the light shade. It's a beautiful champagne color. I do want to note that this highlighter appears to be scented. It's a pretty scent, but just in case you're sensitive to fragrances, I did want to make a note of that. Okay, so let's swatch this. Okay, so that is the swatch right there. That's picking up the light beautifully. Look at the box. Look at that beautiful like seafoam green that Prada is known for. It's just gorgeous. That's the box right there. Not that packaging should matter too much, but let's be honest, it does. It helps. Especially if you're spending $90 on a highlighter. Okay, I digress. So we're going to put this on using an hourglass brush. And let's see if this is worth $90. Oh boy. I was hoping that I could tell you that it's not worth $90, but I think I may be wrong. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this right now? Look at that. There is not 1 ounce of glitter in this highlighter, but it is giving the most beautiful glow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, let's apply this to the other cheek. Wow. I'm so excited right now, but that is beautiful. I would say if you're somebody who doesn't like a lot of glitter in their highlighters or like obvious chunks of glitter, this would be perfect. I can't see anyone not liking this product, in all honesty. I love it. I really love it. I've never tried a highlighter like this before where it gives such a luminosity to the skin, but there's no glitter particles, nothing. And even in the pan, it doesn't look that glowy or luminous, but once it goes onto the skin, it's magic. I am a happy camper right now. I have to say, I think it was worth it. And I may have to pick up another shade, but let's not talk about that today. So I'm going to apply this as an eyeshadow topper just to see how that goes. And I will list the makeup that I already have on my face in the description below. But I just want to try this as an eyeshadow topper. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, see how pretty that is? I'm going to put a little bit under the eyebrow area. Okay. Ooh. I'm not even sure if the camera's really doing this justice right now. This combination of the highlight under the eyebrow with this on the cheek and then the eyeshadow. My gosh, I'm glowing. Oh, I love this. The verdict is this is a must buy. Like right now. You must buy this right now. All right, I'm not pressuring you. But if you're on the fence, you should go for it. And this means that I'm going to have to delve into Prada Beauty more, which is expensive. But it's all for research, right? And now moving on to the Prada Mascara. This is the Pradascope Lash Extending Volume Mascara. And it's in the shade black. And this is the packaging right here. So the unique thing about this product is it has a different style of wand that I think most of us are used to. It has only bristles on one side of the wand. Let me show you. So this is the wand. And as you can see, it's only one side has bristles on it. And the other side is completely flat. All right, let's give this a whirl. Oh, wow. So this is capturing onto the lashes immediately. I'll do a little bit on the bottom. And I usually don't like a mascara on the bottom lashes necessarily. Sometimes it's just too much. But because of the unique wand that this one has, it really came out nicely. That's pretty. This is instantly lifting my lashes, making them very long, but not clumpy. I'm not seeing any flaking on my skin. Really pretty. Let me show you up close. Okay, so you see how longer my eyelashes are on this side? Look at that highlight. All right, anyway. I'm so excited about this highlighter. So as you can see, this mascara really went a long way in lifting my lashes. I think it has enough product on it that I don't have to go back in and get more on the bristles there. And what I like about this is you can move the eyelashes around pretty well. And it's lifting them a lot. It doesn't feel heavy on the lashes. It's not weighing them down. Just insane length. Insane. And it's just so interesting with this one that you can get this much length and lift from just one side. Let me show you the finished product. My lashes are not clumping together. They don't feel heavy. A lot of times mascara feels heavy on my lashes, and this is not heavy at all. With some products, you hear so much about them on social media that you kind of start to question whether or not they're actually that good, because how could they be? I did hear a lot about the mascara. I didn't think it was going to be this good. And the highlighter, I heard rave reviews about, but I really didn't buy into it because I said, how much different can it be than any other highlighter, right? But it is. It's absolutely stunning. One of the best highlighters I've ever seen in my life. And as you can see, when I'm looking straight on, it's not obvious. It's not overdone. But then once I tilt, and I put on more than probably I would normally, but as I tilt my head, it just captures that light beautifully. Okay, so my verdict on this mascara is it is a must buy. For $35, it is a little bit steeper than some mascaras, but I think that it has a unique design to it. I think it's a flawless application. It's light on the lashes. It lifted them. It lengthened them a lot. The packaging is beautiful. So I'm just so happy with these two products from Prada Beauty. This does mean that I'll have to try more from the line. I'll just have to make that sacrifice for you guys so I can review more of their products. But I'm just really, really impressed. And my verdict for both of these products, they're must-buys, especially this highlighter. I'm like blown away. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think. Have you tried any of these products? Are you going to try either of these products? I want to hear about all the fun things down in the comments below. Please also like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me get my videos out to more viewers, and you get to make sure that you don't miss any of the news in beauty and makeup. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your time. I wish you a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.